Did you know that Nusuk has only 6 premium Hajj packages and 10 luxury Hajj packages leaving from Canada? What? Only 16 packages from all of Canada for Hajj 2026? Yeah, that's correct. Now, if this is new information to you, then honestly, it means one thing. You don't yet know how to properly navigate Nusuk. And that's exactly what I want to show you today. In our previous episode, we built a solid understanding of Hajj categories, Mina camps, hotel zones, and we agreed on something very important. Sometimes, luxury packages can actually be cheaper than premium, and premium packages can actually be cheaper than standard. So today, I want to take that understanding and actually put it into action. I want to navigate Nusuk the way it was designed to be used. So you, the future Hajji watching, can do the same and confidently find the package that truly fits you. Let's start. Go to Nusuk and sign in. For today's session, I'm assuming you already have a verified Nusuk account. If not, please watch our first episode where we explain how to properly register. Once you're in, click on Packages, let the page load. You will usually see the first 9 packages. Now, you'll notice this beautiful black button called Filter. This, honestly, is my favorite part of the entire website. Through this one button and the features that come with it, I spend few hours every year to go through all the packages on Nusuk and find the right Hajj packages. And yes, for those strict about language, they missed an S. It should be filters, not filter. Relax. Okay, let's focus. Now, and without turning any filter, Nusuk shows 302 Hajj packages. The first filter we want to turn on is Packages Include Group Flights. This one. This is very important. What this means is you're now looking at packages that are actually supported from your country. Secret, right? Not really. It's been there all along. Packages with group flights usually come with proper presentation, a guidance team traveling with you, and full support throughout the journey, even if you personally choose a custom flight. And in my opinion, group flights are always the best option. Why? Because they are usually cheaper, everyone travels together, enters Saudi together, leaves together, and at the end of the day, we're performing Hajj as a group. But there is always a but. Nusuk considers Canada and the US as one region, North America. So this filter will help a lot, but if you're in Canada or in the US, you still need to dig a little deeper. Don't worry, stay with me, I have a solution. As I mentioned before, right now Nusuk shows 302 Hajj packages. That's an insane number. Now watch this. We turn on this one filter and boom, we're down to 101 Hajj packages. Just like that, 201 irrelevant packages are gone. Now, someone might say, Ahmed, I already know an easier way. I get a package name from a guide, I search it, and that's it. You're absolutely right. But let me ask you something. You're spending all this money, making all this effort for a once-in-a-lifetime journey. Aren't you even a little curious to know if you're making the right decision? The Ministry of Hajj and Umrah didn't give you these filters by accident. If they wanted people to blindly follow whoever talks better, they would have left only the search bar. Instead, they gave you the tools to verify, compare, and decide for yourself. And honestly, I respect that. Now, let's move to the second filter. The second filter is package category. We discussed this last time. My personal preference, luxury first, then premium. And of course, both non-shifting. So let's select luxury. Remember, we had 101 Hajj packages. Now look, subhanallah, only 20 luxury packages left. That's manageable. Anyone can compare 20 packages. Now let's switch to premium. Boom, 14 packages. So all North America has 20 luxury packages, 14 premium packages with proper support. Minutes ago, we were staring at 302 packages. Now let's turn on the third filter, Mina Camp. You need to know that some packages offer Al-Muaysam only, and some offer both Al-Muaysam and Majar al-Kabsh. Let's say I want premium and Al-Muaysam. Look, we're down to 13 packages. Okay, let's change it to Majar al-Kabsh and see. Only 8 packages. Brothers and sisters, this right here is how Nusuk is meant to be used. Now, the big question for Canadians. How do I know which of these packages actually have group flights from Canada, as I want to fly from Canada? Well, you got 2 options. Option 1, open each package, configure it, and reach the airline page. You'll know. Or Option 2, I prepared a Google Sheet. The link is in the description. It includes all luxury and premium packages, and you can filter flights from Canada instantly. Let's see the file together. When you open the file, you'll see 2 tabs, 2026 luxury packages and 2026 premium packages. Download it, keep it with you. When you open the file, for each package you'll find number of nights, package name, Saudi service provider, hotel in Mecca and its rating, hotel in Medina and its rating, the camp options that this package support, prices without the cost of airline tickets, flight information like departure date, arrival date, return date, and airline, representative in Canada, and comments if available. The representative in Canada, I know all of them, but I didn't think it was ethical to put their names without their consent. So I just put our name, Falcon Travel, in front of the packages we support. And yes, of course, unfortunately, there are many packages unsupported by good, experienced guidance team. Good news is since all packages are public this year, public means you can book them from the US, Canada, Europe, and Australia. You all have a chance to join our Canadian team from wherever you are. Now, in some packages, you'll see the departure date, arrival date, and return date highlighted in gray. That means the same flight is available for multiple packages. In other flights, you'll see not available. That means there are no flights from Canada. Under Saudi service provider, if you see the row highlighted in red, that means this service provider don't have Hajj packages in this category. For example, under the luxury category, these companies, Al-Bayt Guests, Holiday Inn, Yusr al-Mashar, Saudiya Hajj, and Isra al-Khair don't offer packages this year under that luxury category. Here, under the premium category, almost the same companies, Al-Bayt, Yusr al-Mashar, Saudiya, Isra al-Khair, and Al-Rajhi don't offer packages this year. Now let's use the flight from Canada filter under premium. I come here and I take out the no, leave only the yes. Here we go. Only 6 packages remain. That's it. 6 premium packages with proper Canadian support. 3 of them support both camps, Majar al-Kabsh and Al-Muaysam, and 3 of them supports only Al-Muaysam. Now let's compare. I usually like to compare packages with similar number of nights. By the way, Nusuk allows you to compare up to 4 packages at once. All you have to do is copy the package name from the Google Sheet, go to Nusuk, search for the package name, add it to comparison, and repeat. Here we go. Done. Once you have all the packages you want to compare, click on compare. Here we go. Now we can see the three packages side by side. And this is where things start to make sense. For example, right away, I can see that the Hira package is more expensive than Rawaf 306, even though both of them have 4-star hotels in Mecca and 4-star hotels in Medina. So the first reaction is, why is the Hira more expensive? Then you look a little closer. The number of days in Hira is more. Okay, that makes sense. Now, another thing you can do, obviously, when you're doing the comparison, and I highly recommend you do this, is to take the hotel names and simply search them on Google, look at the reviews, check how far they are from Al-Masjid Al-Haram and Al-Masjid Al-Nabawi, and get a better feel for what you're actually paying for. But is there anything else affecting the price? So I go back to our Google Sheet, all the way to the last column. I personally love to check the flight section and the comments section. And I noticed it says quad and triple only. So if someone is specifically looking for double rooms, then maybe this package is not the best option for them and they should look at other alternatives. It is absolutely true that going with a guidance team that has a strong reputation, like Falcon Travel here in Canada, for example, is a big plus. You trust them, you know they will take care of you. But at the same time, it is very important to know exactly what you're buying and to ask questions about anything that doesn't make sense to you. This is your Hajj. You have every right to understand it fully. Once you're done with the comparison, click on packages to go back to the packages page. Unfortunately, Nusuk still doesn't have a back button. Hopefully, they'll add that in the future. Now let's do one more comparison, this time for luxury packages. So I go back to the Google Sheet, luxury, turn on the flight from Canada filter. We got 10 packages. By the way, out of the 10 luxury packages available from Canada, we support 4 of them. So I'm going to compare Dur, Makarem, Ikram al-Dayf 401, Ikram al-Dayf 402, Ikram al-Dayf 403. Why these 4? Because all of them have almost the same number of nights. So the comparison is fair. Same process. Copy the package name, go to Nusuk, search for it, add it to comparison page. Here we go. Second one. Third one. Last one. Then we click compare. Now we're looking at 4 luxury packages, all 5-star. In this example, it becomes very clear that Dur Hospitality Luxury Makarem is the best priced option. The other 3 are significantly more expensive. So naturally, the question is why? Is it the number of days? No. Actually, Dur offers more days than the other 3. Are the hotels different? No, all of them are 5-star hotels and all of them are within walking distance from Al-Masjid Al-Haram and Al-Masjid Al-Nabawi. So honestly, it's a bit odd. But good for Dur Hospitality. I really commend them for pricing their package properly. And yes, of course, I have to say this. My team and I are supporting this package. But jokes aside, if I was going to Hajj for the first time, I would genuinely choose this package without hesitation. Oh, and there's one very important point I forgot to mention earlier. Nusuk always talks about days when showing package duration. You'll notice that I always talk about nights instead. Why? Because the number of nights, in my opinion, are more accurate. For example, look here in the premium packages in our Google Sheet. This package, Ikram al-Dayf 204, has a flight that departs Canada on the 16th and arrives on the 18th. That's almost 24 hours of travel time. Allahu Akbar. May Allah be with the Hujjaj on that flight. Now, Nusuk will count the package starting from the 16th. I don't. I count from the 18th because that's when the Hujjaj actually arrive and start their Hajj package. That's why, in my opinion, counting nights gives you a clear and more honest picture. Alright, that's it, folks. So today we learned 3 important things. First, how to properly navigate Nusuk. Second, how to use filters correctly so we don't waste time looking at packages we don't need or spending hours investigating every single package on Nusuk. Third, how to compare 2 or more packages side by side and actually understand why one package is priced differently than another. If you're planning to perform Hajj in 2026, whether you are coming from Canada, United States, Europe, or Australia, make sure you check out our supported Hajj packages. You're also very welcome to join our WhatsApp group. I'll leave the link for the WhatsApp group below in the description. I'll also leave the link to the Google Sheet we used today. It can really help you a lot. Jazakumullah khair for watching. Wassalam khitam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.